Welcome everybody to this next video here. Today I'll be doing an oil change in the Cub Cadet 1450 here. It's been 4 years since an oil change in this thing, though there are not many hours. Only about 60 hours on the oil change. So, kinda a lot, I don't know. But anyway, let's get started here. By the way, I'm using Shell Rotella T1 straight SAE 30. Used it in the past. Gets the job done. Alright, let's drain this oil. Try not to get in your guys' way here. Drained out nice and good. Nice drain. Kohler says 12.5 foot-pounds, so 13 will do for the aluminum pan, that is. And there we go. Torqued. Alright, let's fill her up.